go ahead and close out here by just saying a few words about how excited we are that you've spent the past couple of days with us, in this workshop to really explore, start to finish, what is the ability, the capabilities of Cerebras systems, right, to enhance and accelerate scientific research. We've explored a lot of things. We understood the theory of how our hardware works, how you can interact with our software layer, the usability of this, and the programmability as well with a number of different hands-on demos. We are very excited to work with you to accelerate innovation when it comes to scientific AI and accelerating open science in general. A lot of the folks that work here at Cerebras, one of the big reasons we joined as well and are involved in this effort is because we care about tackling the tough scientific problems, and working with you to help do that is something that we're very passionate about. We hope that you got a sense how you can use Cerebras systems to really push the boundaries on performance, scale, and usability, to really iterate towards faster time to insight for your experiments and for your research. We hope that we've shown you how scientific research can really be accelerated using our hardware, as well as how you can quickly get logged into the system and at an operational level get start to finish with training a model, a complex model like a foundation model, start to finish on your own very easily. And then of course, hope you've gotten a sense for how you can get access to really the cutting edge in LLMs, in foundation models, and in all the techniques that sort of are part of the milieu of model training, like expanded model size, of course, being able to train models across multiple clusters, multiple systems with a single line of code, and experience things like extremely large context lengths, and then all the benefits that come with working with sparsity and some of the other model enhancement and performance enhancement techniques. So I'll just end by saying we're really excited to work with folks like you, and we'd like to push the boundaries on the scientific endeavors that your team is working on, and anything that we can collaborate on. So please do share with us what are some of your ideas, some of the things that you are wanting to explore. And as we mentioned, this is an active area where we want to collaborate and influence our roadmap and work with you to push the boundaries. Perhaps at this point, I would like to pass the mic over to Murali. Maybe Murali, you can say a few words on how folks can get involved and get access with ALCF.
Sure, thank you, Abhi. So I've just posted a few links in the chat window here. So we welcome any requests for teams who want to use the Cerebras CS-2 at ALCF. So for starting, so if you want to just try out some of the examples, so we still have the allocation that we used for this session for a week. So you can use that. But again, if you require the system for a longer period of time, you can always submit a DD allocation request. So I've put the link over in the chat window. So just fill that out. Basically ask questions about your application, your goals, what kind of model it is. And once it's approved, so you get the allocation for a couple of months. So you can spend more effort or try to test out the system and porting your application and see what gains that you see. We also have dedicated staff at ALCF who can work closely with you and the Cerebras team in accelerating your science applications. And again, so some other links, so the slides are posted, and we'll upload the others as well on the events page. And the documentation is also available on the ALCF website. The recordings will be posted after a few days, maybe after the processing is done, and will be you'll get a notification once they are available.
Great, thanks, Murali. And just to end on a thanks again for joining us. We'd love for you to get in touch with us. Here's some links again, in addition to the ones that Murali mentioned, for how you can get in touch with us via email, as well as some channels of social media channels for communication. Our Discourse especially is a great way to get in direct communication with folks like Leighton, who you heard from today, and other folks on our ML and applied ML teams as well. Please do consider also signing up for our monthly newsletter, where we share a lot of our research and collaboration and white papers, and maybe even poster sessions that we are involved with. So lots of fun content there as well for you to engage with. So yeah, thank you everyone for joining. Hopefully this was all very interesting and useful, and we look forward to a very fruitful collaboration going forward.
Awesome. Thank you, Abhi, and thanks a lot for the Cerebras team and everyone. I hope you liked and enjoyed the sessions and got to know more about this exciting platform. And hopefully you'll use this system to understand better and make use of the resource set at ALCF. Again, if you have any further questions, do reach out to us. We'll be happy to work with you closely. And once again, have the good rest of your day, and thank you so much.